Hello, welcome friends to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the City. I'm Anjali. Today we are going to learn how to download the data from Maproom. So first we are going to click on the Maproom and wait for it to open. Yeah, and then what we are going to learn how to do the OpenStreetMap. And I said it before that we can download the map from OpenStreetMap, whatever you are putting on OpenStreetMap. So what we are going to do is click OpenStreetMap, and over here we are going to find a location over here. So we can select find location by the names, and for link over here, Melbourne Central. Look up the location. Okay, update the scenario from OSM over here. What you can do is select the area width and height, and from over here there are so many OpenStreetMap layers. They have so many layers, so you can select full OSM data over here. And what you need to do is next is download full OSM data and wait for the download. The download part it will start it from here. Yeah, as you can see, it's downloading right now, so you have to wait and see. Yeah, as you can see, we have already downloaded this area. As you can see, there are so many things is over here, but the thing you can see over here is only I have selected 5x5 width. But then if you want to need to do more space over here, what you need to do is select area and select only you need to change over here 10. And yeah, just download OSM meta and it will be changing over the area. Already they have itself. So it's downloading and the square will be bigger one. So it's width 10 by 10, and it will be the 10 by 10 width will take too much time. So I tried 5 by 5. Yeah, you have to wait for this one. Yeah, so you can see there are so many layers and so many things is over here. If you want to put more things in this one, we only downloaded from the OpenStreetMap. But if you need a satellite map or 3D area, so you can also do that. I have already put the terrain in, and as you can see, we can just update images. It's over here. So as like this, you can see there are so many images over here. Yeah, so this is how you can update data from Maproom. I hope you learned many things from Maproom and you like and subscribe this video. Thank you very much.